Hello traders, this is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing well. Very calm day today. Market was very range bound today. Market was not very volatile as we had experienced yesterday. Yesterday's scenario was just one show off that just because of Adani issue. Otherwise, we would have touched lifetime high yesterday itself. Anyway, in yesterday's video, I told we might touch lifetime high tomorrow, and that's what has happened today. Market has touched an all-time high of around 16,800, 850 levels, I think. So that is a good sign, and markets are bullish. That's what the data is showing. OI data is showing that futures are trading at a premium, so everything is on the bullish side. So don't try to short the market. That's what I'm trying to say. If I see the OI data, I was observing the OI data. People are writing 15,700 put, 15,600 put, 15,500 put. So there are more puts than call call in Nifty. I'm saying. So this is a bull market. Market participants are bullish in the market. So we can expect maybe Nifty touching 16,000 in the short future, but in this expiry we expect the market to expire in between 15,700 or maybe between 15,700 to 16,000. That's what we predict, and that's what the chart shows us, right? So this is a Nifty chart. We have been telling this for last 2-3 trading sessions, and if you see 15,700 is going to be a firm support. Market is not going to come down. Even if it comes down, there should be some rejection or some reversal in this area. That's what we are expecting. And today's price action, you can see market has gapped up and it has sustained that gap up. So that is always a bullish view. Somewhere around afternoon there was try to break the today's open, but that has failed and bull has taken the market upward. So if you see this on a daily perspective, like this has formed a doji pattern. If you see on a daily chart, it is going to be a doji pattern. Let me show you. Yeah, if you see, if you see this clearly, there is a doji pattern. So there might be like a reversal, or there might be a small reversal to 15,700 or 15,800. So anyway, if you see market India VIX is very low, right? Today it has come below 14.5 levels. Yesterday it was shooting up to 15,000, but today it has come to around 14.5 levels. So VIX is also on the bull side. So we don't have to worry much. Maybe if markets gap up tomorrow and sustains this level, today's level, which is 15,850 level, so we should be fine and we should be touching 16,000. So as I told, this expiry we are expecting the markets to expire between 15,700 to 16,000. And if I see the OI data, so this is Bank Nifty. We'll see the Nifty first. There is call writing in 15,800. People have written put writing in 15,800, 700, 600, and 15,000 is going to be a good support. And there is a significant call writing in 16,000. So the overall position, if you see, there are more puts than call. So that is always a bullish sign. So we are bullish in the market, and we have been telling this for last 3 or 4 trading sessions. Even yesterday when the market crashed like 250 points, we told markets are bullish and we should resume the rally towards 15,800 or 16,000. And if you see the Bank Nifty is the one sector which is not performing or which is not supporting this move. If we had support from Bank Nifty, maybe we should be at around 16,000, 16,300 or 16,500 level. There is a good resistance in 35,500 in Bank Nifty. For our markets to perform, we need the support of Bank Nifty, and if we get the if Bank Nifty is able to cross above 35,500, we should see a good lifetime high, that is around maybe above 16,000 levels, right? So that's what the data shows. So as always, don't short the market. Markets are bullish. Every dip is being bought into, and that's what happened yesterday also. In spite of market falling around 200 250 points for the first 20 minutes, market has reversed, and it is on the it recovered all the losses yesterday itself. So that was a V-shaped recovery. That was one day show off. So there was nothing to worry about that, and people were telling that few FIIs are reduced their long position in futures from 86% to 75 or 74%. I don't think so. Still markets are moving on the upside only. So let's see, anything can happen. Markets are market. We are just here to predict only. Anything can go wrong. And what I can see in the US futures also, US futures are also flat. It's in the green, and these European futures are mixed, trading in the mixed. They are trading mixed. So anyway, futures are actually futures are flat. So if we get support from US markets also, we might go up and we might touch all-time high. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care, and goodbye.